Hey everyone, welcome back. This is my 7th-month update since my hair transplant in Istanbul, Turkey. Alright, this is gonna be a quick one. So between month 6 and month 7, I'm not sure if any big changes have happened, but I'm just noticing the hair get thicker and thicker as the months go by. It's 7 months now, so it's about maybe 3, 4, 5 months of more growth to actually see the full results. But currently how it is right now, if it stops right here, I wouldn't say I'm 100% satisfied. I'm like 80% to 90% satisfied, but it's a lot better than when I started. You know, I'm happy with the results so far. I've definitely improved my confidence a lot. Looking back at my first video, I definitely noticed like a big change in my confidence and just how I speak in general. So I'm really grateful that this has helped me that much with that. So yeah, I filmed the video in exactly the 7-month mark. So I'm gonna show you all what the hair looks like before I got a haircut. So as you can see, it looks completely blended in, but I see I have a weak area on the left-hand side, on the left side of my head. That side is still pretty see-through, and hopefully, I'm not sure, I don't think it's gonna completely be like completely dark, but I just hope it gets a little bit more thicker, and also with longer hair, it will probably give it the illusion of more thickness. The inner area looks great. I don't think anyone's ever gonna know that I got 2,700 grafts taken out of my donor of the back of my head. So that's awesome. And here's a few pictures showing you what my hair looks like straight on. I've been using the same lighting every update to make sure that I'm keeping this consistent. Yeah, so you can see it looks almost completely blended in. You can't even tell unless looking directly at my head that something happened, or it looks a little bit thin on some sides. So I'm totally happy with that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this update. Please go ahead and subscribe so that you can be notified when the month 8 update comes out. It will be a more detailed video of the entire journey so far, how I felt emotionally, things I did to stay optimistic about my results, and just the overall hair transplants and the entire timeline of how things have progressed so far. Once again, thank you very much for subscribing. Thanks for always liking and thanks for your positive comments. I really appreciate you all. And if you have any questions, like always, leave it in the comments. I respond to every single question. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. All right, take care.